How to craft in Terraria. So unlike Minecraft or other survival games, Terraria does not use a crafting grid where you place items in specific shapes. Instead, simply press escape on your keyboard to open up your inventory, and on the left side of your screen, or the bottom if you're on mobile, you will see a scrolling list of every item you are currently able to craft. So if you have the materials in your inventory, the icon will just light up. So just basically click to create the item. So let's say I want to make a dirt bomb right here. And as you can see, I have successfully crafted one. But for more advanced item, you need crafting stations. So you do not right click the station itself. Instead, you just have to stand next to it. So for example, I have a workbench right here. And if you stand near a workbench, your crafting list will automatically update to show wooden doors and chairs. So let's say I'm just going to go far right here. But if I go close to the crafting station or the workbench, as you can see, it updated. So a lot more has been added right here. So we also have armors from the anvil. But if I go far from it, as you can see, it is now gone. And if you have an item but don't know what it makes, just basically go to the guide NPC right here. He is the first person you spawn with in the game. So right click on the NPC, then click on crafting and place any material item into the slot. He will show you every single recipe that item is used in. So let's say I'm going to do the bomb right here and place it right there on the space provided. And as you can see, it now shows every single recipe that this item is used and exactly which crafting station you need to make it. So let's say I want to put the souls of light right here. So as you can see, it says I need the mithril anvil to create these kinds of materials. And for this emblem, I need the Tinkerer's Workshop and a bunch of other souls and the warrior emblem. But that is how you basically craft in Terraria.